Just simply come on to this website, sign up for absolutely free, then follow me along and I will show you exactly what you need to do to make yourself a lot of money. Hi guys, how's it going? Today I'm going to be showing you a way with which you can make $214 in 60 minutes again and again. Guys, this is a completely beginner friendly method, so basically anyone can do this right after watching this video. This method is available all around the world and it is only a few months old, so it's guaranteed to work through 2021 as well. But guys, I'm going to be sharing a few secrets throughout the video which will maximize your profit, so make sure to pay close attention and don't skip any part. And now guys, I'm going to be jumping into the first step, but only after I ask you to hit that like button if you like this method, and also subscribe to the channel if you want to learn about more ways to monetize your time online. So without wasting any more time, let's jump into step number 1.
Hi, if you're watching this, then you have to know we're doing a brand new giveaway on our channel. We're gonna be giving away the new iPhone 12 Pro Max or the MacBook Pro. It is your choice. Just watch the video completely and make sure to like the video, comment the hidden keyword down below, and be sure to subscribe.
Step number 1. So in step number 1, I want you to come on to eClincher.com. Now guys, eClincher.com is gonna be the website that we're gonna be using for this particular method. Now this is the top ranked social media management platform, and they have franchises for small and medium businesses as well. They are integrated with Facebook, Twitter, Instagram, Pinterest, LinkedIn, Google My Business, YouTube, and also TikTok. Now scrolling down, we can even see like all the social media platforms that they deal with. They deal with Facebook, Instagram, LinkedIn, Pinterest, TikTok, and like Dropbox, Google Drive as well, just to name a few. Now, scrolling down even further, why should we choose eClincher when there are just like so many options available? Well, firstly, because they guarantee to boost your social media ROI and also grow your reach. Secondly, they have an agile team with cutting-edge technology and die-hard support team, and also a continuously adding value and features so you can better execute your strategy. So like all these features are showing you like why you should choose eClincher.com. So over here we can see all the features that they offer. They offer a publishing and scheduling section. They offer an interactions or engagement option as well. They also offer a content creation and media library for you to like track all your media. Thirdly, they also offer social listening and also monitoring. And then fifth, they also give you like detailed reports and also analytics as well. Now guys, all these things are very important in the world of content management, because sometimes your client might ask to see all of these things. Well, then you can provide them all these things, and that's going to look really professional and also really responsible from your side, because at the end we all have to be responsible with what we do. So like this is going to do that for absolutely free, and like they also provide you with a free trial as well. Now at the end, they also give you a team collaboration community that you can be a part of, and also like discuss your progress and also learn more as well. Now scrolling down, we can see that they have been featured in the ABC Post, the Huffington Post, Fox News, and also the Boston Globe, plus CW, Star Tribune, Forbes, and also your Daily Herald as well. So like guys, all these names are very big in the world of marketing and in the world of media and blog. And now if they are mentioning about a particular software, well then you guys, you should know that they must have some kind of trust on that software that they are like featuring them. So like you can definitely trust eClincher, and you can definitely see that they are trusted by some of the biggest names. Now over here we can see some of their testimonials. So like for example, this one: being a long-term user of social media tools, eClincher is the only platform to truly offer everything a business needs to effectively manage the social media accounts, and the platform is always getting updates with new features, and this is highly recommended, plus a 5-star. Now this is from the founder of Strong Digital, guys. That is the CEO giving a review that extensive. Guys, by now you should know that this is like definitely a legit website, and like we even have more reviews. Like we have hundreds of 5-star reviews. Now scrolling down, we can even see like all the awards they have won until now. And how does it work? You simply activate your account, you connect your social account, you innovate, and then you measure. After that, you are all in the clouds and you are making a lot of followers and a lot of results. Now they are going to be giving you like thousands of monthly users plus daily post reach. So like all in all, this is going to be a win-win. Now what I want you to do is that I want you to take a look over here underneath the eClincher column. Right click and open up the partner/affiliate program. Now guys, that is a second way of earning money, but firstly let's clear this one. What you can do now is that you can simply like activate your 14-day free trial, and then once you activate this, you can simply like reach out to different Instagram accounts, offer them your support, like maybe try to reach out to all the business accounts out there, and then once you like reach out to all of them, after that you simply tell them that like, hey, I will get you free traffic, and then once they agree, you simply give them free traffic using your free trial, and then once they see that you are like actually capable of doing this, they will actually pay you for more traffic. So like that way you will start to make money, and then you will be able to pay off your monthly expense as well quickly and easily. So guys, like that is one way of making money with this website. The second way is through their partner/affiliate program. Now, you can join Clincher's multinational partner program and grow your digital marketing business. So like over here, you can see that you can like grow your business, because like in 2020, over 3.6 billion were using social media worldwide, a number projected to increase to almost 4.4 billion in 2025. Now, once you like use your affiliate program, you can like get profits from 50 to 100 USD per paid Clincher subscription. Thirdly, you can provide the ROI of social. Now, similarly, scrolling down, you can even see some more testimonials as well. And then scrolling on even further, we have some more questions that you can like, read the answers to if you want to like go more in depth. So click on apply here, and then simply sign up by simply putting in all these things that they ask you about. After that, you will get your affiliate link. Now, once you have your affiliate link, you can simply move on to step number 2. Step number 2. So in step number 2, guys, firstly I'm gonna tell you how you can make money with that trial. So like once you have that trial set up, what you can do is that, like I said before, manually target people, manually tell them that like, hey, you will manage their social media, you will grow their social media. But the other way is that you can simply come on to fiverr.com, sign up, and then create a gig like this for yourself. Now guys, all these gigs are charging at least $100 to $200 per account, and that is them promising social media growth. So guys, that is absolutely amazing, and that is what you can do as well for your own social media management company. Now, once you have that trial, you can basically take on as many accounts as you want, and then once you have a lot of accounts, guys, after that it is obviously very easy. All that you will need to do after that is simply like, get as many accounts, put in as many usernames as you can into your account, and then simply let them grow, and then after that these clients are gonna pay you as well. So like simply create a gig over here too, and that is definitely gonna get you more orders as well. Now guys, now comes the main part. Now I want you to come on to this awesome secret tool called Viral Link. Now guys, this tool is gonna get you free buyer traffic on your affiliate link with just one click within 27 seconds. Guys, this is absolutely insane. Now over here you can see that you will get automatic buyer traffic in 27 seconds plus 100% new and never before seen solutions. Total newbies are getting traffic and sales literally overnight, and you need zero tech skills whatsoever. You can even achieve financial freedom, and you can finally quit your job, travel, and enjoy life. Plus they also offer a 365-day money back guarantee, and then you can get results or get paid $150 too. Now, scrolling down even further, we can even see that like they have a sale going on, and they are only $17 right now. Guys, they are usually $197, like almost $200, but right now they are just $17. Guys, make sure to grab it right now, because these deals don't last forever. Now we even have some results shown over here. So like, isn't that amazing that a software is on sale, plus it has given results like this? So like, make sure to take full advantage of this opportunity. And then we even have testimonials over here, like first try, 171 visitors, and $300 in commissions, plus 4 sales, plus 3 upgrades. Guys, that is absolutely insane. No software does that, but this one does. And all that you need to do is simply log in, enter any link, basically your affiliate link, and then simply sit back and relax, and you will get a lot of traffic on your affiliate link, and people signing up on a Clincher, and you making a lot of money. So guys, this was the video, and if this video helped you out, guys, make sure to smash that like button, subscribe, and I'm gonna catch you guys in the next video. Till then, take care and goodbye.